Hi guys, so I am back and I wanted to show you the little bundles that I'm going to be listing on my Etsy. This is the fabric that I showed you in my thrift store haul last week. So this is how they will be arriving to you. I think there are 12 pieces here, and this is exactly what you will be receiving. I have 4 bundles because I wanted to have 4 identical bundles basically. So the 4 bundles contain exactly this. I tied them with sari silk, which you can use. This is the recycled sari silk that I received, and it's a pretty long piece. I want to say probably a yard. No, a little over a yard. So you'll get that. And every bundle is the same, cut the same and everything. So you will receive, let me back you up so you can see what you're getting. You're gonna get a piece like this. All the pieces are different sizes, so a piece like this. So this piece is pretty big. Alright, so this piece measures about about 20 inches by 18. So you'll get this piece that measures that, and then you will get this piece, a piece like this. So I made sure that I cut everything to a point where you can get at least one journal out of it. This ruler measures 18 inches, just to give you an idea. Okay, so just to give you an idea. So this one is 12 inches this way and probably about 20 inches this way because the ruler is 18. So and you'll get this one. Just want you to see what you'll get. Okay, so again, all right, and so about what? I'm terrible with measuring, oh my gosh. So about 14 inches this way by probably 20 inches again this way. And then I give you a little piece of this. Some I didn't have very much, but you still get, you know, enough for a journal. So this way is about 13 inches by, again, about 21 inches. And I only have 4 bundles, so I wish I had more, but I wanted everybody to have, this is about 20 inches by 12 and a half. I wanted everybody to have exactly the same, so I was only able to get 4. And this one is again about 21 inches by 14 or so. And this one is $14 or so by probably 20 inches. And guys, I'm sorry if they're not perfectly straight, but you know, I don't have one of those rotary cutters, but that's why I give you bigger pieces so that, you know. And this one is, let's see, probably about 21 by 14 3/4. And then this one is probably about 21 as well by 14. Ooh, I'm hungry. And then this one is probably about 21 as well by 14. And these are not going to be expensive either, guys. And then I have this one. I think this is the one that I had the least. So I wanted everybody to have a piece, and everybody got about the same size. So everybody got the same size of this. But it's still enough to make us a little journal. So this one is 12 by 12.5. So that's about the same size that everybody got. Yep. And then everybody got the same size of the tapestry one, which is this beauty. And I cut it to where everybody got part of this and part of the border, if I remember correctly. So, and this measures 13, about 13 to 13.5 by 18, 19, about 25. So that's the size that everybody got. Okay, so it's a nice big piece of the tapestry. So I only have 4 bundles, and these are on my Etsy if you're interested. So stop in, take a look, and they will come to you in a nice cute little bundle like I showed you. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.